Is the Supreme Playboi Carti t-shirt worth it? In this video, we're gonna figure that one out. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. And today we're going over this t-shirt. Is Supreme back, guys? Let me know, because this t-shirt's actually been creating a lot of buzz in the markets right now. A lot of people want it. So, is it worth it? Well, before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into it. Okay, not much of an unboxing going on here. I kind of just ripped off the plastic, but here is the tee. This is normally how Supreme does their t-shirts when they do collabs with celebrities. They kind of just have a plain, simplistic tee, but with a bold photo on it. So give some more background information. This t-shirt released back in August 28th with the retail price of $54. Of course, since then, it has been sold out and they're reselling for nearly double the price. So let's talk about if it's worth paying that price. So the one that seems to be getting the most buzz is, of course, the black t-shirt. The black and white t-shirts normally go for more, so I got the all black tee. And so let's just go right off the bat, talk about the front. These t-shirts are pretty good quality too. They're usually 100% cotton and they come pre-shrunk. Stitching looks alright and everything. Can't really complain too much, but the reason why we want this t-shirt is for that big fat photo on the front. So let's start talking about it. Already, we have the legend himself, Playboi Carti, on this t-shirt. And man, does he look freaking fancy on this. I mean, he's got the Supreme box logo t-shirt on there, but he has it half on. I think it's because to show off his tattoos and everything, which he has definitely a lot of. It's also got a crap ton of jewelry, man. I mean, look at that. Look at the bracelets, the rings, man, the neck chains, holy crap. And then he has his pants sagging down below and everything with the little red bandana, and he's actually wearing a bandana on top with some big old sunglasses. This is a really dope photo of Playboi Carti. I mean, man is definitely feeling himself in this photo. Besides that, there's nothing much going on to it. I mean, white background with a white frame. Printing quality is usually pretty decent on Supreme, so this t-shirt will hold up pretty well over time, I believe. Then after that, that's really all there is to it. On the back of the t-shirt, there's absolutely nothing. We do have some tags, like, of course, the Supreme tag right there. And then there's no other tag besides that, so with that being all there is to the shirt, let's go put it on and show what it looks like on body. Alright, and here's what the t-shirt looks like on body, and I always loved how Supreme t-shirts usually fit. So I'm about 6 foot, 160 pounds, and I normally go with a medium. Fits pretty good. Fits pretty comfortable too. You do notice that the printing is pretty strong. Kind of feel it a little bit. But yeah, here's what the t-shirt looks like on the front. Very, very nice indeed. And now here's what the t-shirt looks like from behind, in case if you're wondering. Not a whole lot going on, but here you guys go. Alright, now back to the front. And yeah, this t-shirt, once again, I like it because it's like minimalistic style tee, you know, not a whole lot. And then you just got this bold photo in the front, man. And it really just speaks for itself, man. What are you wearing? Supreme Playboi Carti. Simple as that, man. How would I wear this t-shirt? Well, I'll kind of wear it a little bit how, you know, Playboi Carti's wearing it. And then I'll probably go with some black jeans or black shorts, something like that. I kind of like how it looks black on black. Or you can kind of wear white jeans with this. That would also look good because it'll contrast well with the photo. Then throw whatever you want for sneakers, man. Go crazy. I mean, it's streetwear. We're here to stand out. That's why we get Supreme. This is why we get Supreme Playboi Carti. Stand out, but also look clean. Like, I think I would put on maybe a pair of Jordan 1 just something. But yeah, once again, here's what the Playboi Carti t-shirt looks like on body. Alrighty, now that we've done the on body portion, I guess it's time to give my final verdict of this t-shirt. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this t-shirt, this is interesting, I'll give it a 8 out of 10. It's a great t-shirt. You know, it's pretty much my style for the most part. Screw it, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Honestly, this t-shirt's pretty amazing. I'm just looking at it a second time, I'm like, nah, it's pretty cool, man. I mean, Playboi Carti looks damn fly on this t-shirt, and it's minimal with a bold effect. That's exactly my style. The reason why it doesn't get a 10 is because that's reserved for the ultra special stuff. This t-shirt's really good, and I would say it's worth it even for resale right now. I know $80 is a lot for a t-shirt, but I've seen way shittier t-shirts go for more. So that's why I say that this t-shirt is definitely worth it. And that concludes this video of the Playboi Carti Supreme t-shirt. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.